Hello everyone. If you're struggling with weight loss or feeling constantly drained, you're not alone. Many people face similar challenges despite following strict diets and workout routines. But what if there was a natural way to support your metabolism and boost energy levels? What makes weight loss difficult? Your body's metabolism plays a crucial role in burning fat and maintaining energy. However, when your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells, aren't functioning properly, you may experience slow metabolism, fatigue, and difficulty losing weight. How Mitolyn helps. Mitolyn is a natural supplement designed to enhance mitochondrial function, promoting increased energy and reduced fatigue, accelerated metabolism for easier weight loss, appetite control, and fewer cravings, cellular protection against oxidative stress, enhanced physical and mental endurance. Why choose Mitolyn? 100% natural ingredients, no known side effects, simple to use, just one capsule a day. Available exclusively through the official website. Important notice. Due to its popularity, fake versions of Mitolyn have surfaced online. To ensure authenticity, only purchase from the official website. Link in the description and comments. Special offer and guarantee. For a limited time, when you purchase 3 or more bottles, you'll receive exclusive bonuses. Plus, Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Are you ready to take control of your health? Get your bottle today. If you found this information helpful, share it with others who might benefit. See you in the next video.